We offer office deep cleaning or any other type of commercial space. It's usually after a post-construction, post-renovation, or somebody moved out of their suite or the building. So they'll hire us to do a deep cleaning, either just a single unit or the whole building, what have you, whether it's a warehouse, an office building, medical office building, whatever it is, we take care of that. There are some clients that their scope of work doesn't include certain areas, but we notice that they have a lot of either patients or clients that they're seeing, and we notice certain areas that we're not responsible for cleaning. We would offer it to the client, hey, we notice these areas are really dirty, would you like us to bid out a deep cleaning of those areas? We'll offer it to them, and because we know they definitely need it, but it's not part of the scope of work that we have under contract with those clients. So the regular cleaning versus a deep cleaning, on the deep cleaning, we'll usually take care of like high dusting areas, hidden corners where we normally do not get to, wiping down like the inside of the trash cans that usually doesn't get cleaned every single day. And just depending on if the client wants a different areas or a different type of cleaning, maybe more sanitizing versus just a regular cleaning, then yeah, we'll take care of that.